So ngayong video, ang Utah Jazz ang ating gagawan ng preview. Ito ang kanilang official lineup para sa 2026 to 2027 season. Ang kanilang head coach si Will Hardy. Rebuild mode pa rin itong team na to pero may progress na nakikita. May star power na sila, sina Lauri Markkanen at Jaren Jackson Jr. Meron pang mga rising talent na sila Keyonte George at ang number 2 overall pick ng 2026 draft na si Darren Peterson. Tara, i-breakdown na nga natin ito. As usual, magsisimula tayo sa guards, then forwards, centers, at potential starting 5 ng team. So itong mga guards, unahin na natin si Keyonte George, isang young scoring guard na may confidence at flow, scoring burst at improving playmaking at potential na maging cornerstone ng franchise. Ready na itong i-level up ang kanyang game. As last season, nag-average ito ng 23 points, 3 rebounds at 6 assists per game. Sumunod, Darren Peterson. Second pick overall ng 2026 draft mula Kansas. Talented guard with size, scoring ability at high upside. Maraming nagsasabing potential maging face ng franchise. Kahit rookie pa lang ito, expected na magkakaroon ng significant role next season. Sumunod, Isaiah Collier. Isang young athletic point guard, speed, playmaking vision at defensive potential ang kanyang maihahain. Last season, nag-average ito ng 11 points, 2 rebounds at 7 assists per game. Sumunod, Josh Okogie. Isang veteran defender, elite perimeter defense, energy at toughness ang kanyang mabibigay sa team. Perfect role player. As last season, nag-average ito ng 4 points, 2 rebounds at 1 assist per game. Sumunod, Svi Mykhailiuk. Isang reliable na shooter, spacing provider off the bench with experience. Last season, nag-average naman ito ng 9 points, 2 rebounds at 2 assists per game. Sumunod, John Konchar. Isa namang versatile glue guy, hustle, defense at connectivity sa second unit o third unit ang kanyang maihahain. As last season, nag-average naman ito ng 4 points, 4 rebounds at 2 assists per game. Sumunod, Trey Alexander. Isa namang young developmental guard ng Jazz. Last season, nag-average ito ng 5 points, 1 rebound at 1 assist per game. At last, Tamar Bates. Isa pang young developmental guard ng Jazz. So when ng mga guards, dumako naman tayo sa mga forwards. Unahin na natin ang best player ng team, Lauri Markkanen. Isang 7'1" stretch forward na may elite scoring. Kahit nga 7-footer, kaya nito mag-small forward dahil sa kanyang speed and mobility. Last season, nag-average itong si Markkanen ng 26.7 rebounds at 2 assists per game. Sumunod, Jaren Jackson Jr. Ang isa sa pinakamalaking additions sa lineup ng Jazz. Isang two-way force, elite rim protection, shot blocking, scoring at versatility ang may tutulong nito sa Jazz. Isa sa pinakamagaling na defender sa kanyang position. Mas nag-average siya last season ng 19 points, 5 rebounds at 2 assists per game. Sumunod, Ace Bailey. Isa namang young wing with athleticism. May scoring touch at size. Posibleng magkaroon ng significant role this season. As nag-average naman siya last season ng 13 points, 5 rebounds at 2 assists per game. Sumunod, Bryce Sensabaugh. Isang young scoring forward, may shooting touch at offensive potential na pinapaganda pa. still developing pero nag-average siya last season ng 15 points, 3 rebounds at 1 assist per game. Sumunod, Cody Williams. Isa pang athletic wing forward. Meron itong length, athleticism at defensive upside. Last season, nag-average ito ng 8 points, 2 rebounds at 3 assists per game. So ayun ang mga guards and forwards. Dumako naman tayo sa mga centers. Unahin na natin si Kyle Filipowski. Isang young, skilled center. May scoring ability, rebounding at soft touch para sa kanyang size. As last season, nag-average ito ng 11 points, 7 rebounds at 3 assists per game. Sumunod, Jusuf Nurkic. Isa namang veteran anchor, physical presence, strong rebounding, playmaking from the post at experience ang kanyang maihahain. As last season, nag-average naman ito ng 11 points, 10 rebounds at 5 assists per game. Sumunod, Jackson Hayes, isang athletic rim runner, energizer ng team, at isa ring lab threat. Last season, nag-average ito ng 7 points, 4 rebounds at 1 assist per game. Sumunod, Mo Bamba. Ito naman ay backup big ng Utah. May length at shot blocking rin ito. As last season, nag-average ito ng 2 points, 5 rebounds at 0.5 assists per game. Dumako naman tayo sa potential starting 5 ng team. Point guard, Keyonte George. Shooting guard, Darren Peterson. Small forward, Lauri Markkanen. Power forward, Jaren Jackson Jr. At center, Kyle Filipowski. Itong team na to ay may young core. Kailangan lang sa mga ito ay ma-develop. Meron na rin naman silang veterans at star power from Lauri Markkanen at Jaren Jackson Jr. So exciting rin makita itong team na to next season. Ano masasabi niyo mga kabakets? For more NBA content, ilike nyo ng ating video at mag-subscribe na rin sa JB Buckets.